Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy bag for May. It's a pretty bag this month, but it does feel textured, and I don't like the feel of it, if that makes sense. It's almost like rough, like a really, they have different grades of sandpaper. It's like a lower grade sandpaper. It's interesting. Anyways, so we have a little product card, and they finally started putting the products on the inside, so I'll set that there. First item is Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This is HD Finishing Powder. Very cool. That's a pretty big container as well, so definitely use that. Next up, this is a pore clearing clay mask with super volcanic clusters, it says. Sounds interesting. That's what that looks like. Doesn't really have a scent to it. Then we have from Ofra, Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Mocha. That is a color that I would wear. That's what that looks like. Nice matte color. Then we have from Naked Cosmetics, little container here, Naturally Nude. So it looks like an eyeshadow. I don't like the loose ones like that. Not too much of a fan of that. And then from Pixi, Endless Silky Eye Pen in the color black. Definitely use that. And let's take a look at the card. I love that they finally came around and they include a card now. So that is what I got. If you guys would like to sign up for a subscription if you're not already a subscriber, I'll leave all the information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.